Welcome, everyone. Today, we delve into the history of a remarkable king, a figure often revered but whose story deserves to be told in full. We are here to discuss Shaka Zulu, also known as Ilembe, a king who outshone others and whose legacy is unparalleled. Much has been said about Shaka Zulu, yet the full depth of his story remains untold. When people recount his history, it often feels like they are narrating a myth. This approach risks allowing the truth to fade into obscurity. It's crucial to remember that Shaka Zulu was not a legend but a real person who lived from the end of the 17th century into the 18th century. The truth about his origins is significant. Shaka Zulu was born out of wedlock to King Senzangakona of the Zulu tribe and Nandi, the daughter of Bengi of the Langeni tribe. As a child born out of wedlock, he faced numerous challenges. These difficulties shaped his early years, leading him to be raised by the Nombosa tribe under the leadership of King Dingiswayo of the Mthethwa. The hardships he endured during his upbringing fostered his independence, intelligence, and strength as a warrior within the Mthethwa tribe. These attributes set the foundation for the great leader he would become, carving his own path in history and leaving a legacy that deserves to be remembered. When Shaka grew up, he seized the kingdom of his homeland, KwaZulu, by force after his father's death. During his reign, he transformed the Zulu Kingdom into a formidable power. He conquered many tribes and brought them under Zulu rule. The dispersion of many nations during this period was a result of the earlier fall of great empires such as the Mutapa, Togwa, Changamea, and Rovzi empires. Many leaders, including Shaka, attempted to unite these dispersed tribes into a single nation, leading to a series of wars that are still discussed today. It was during this tumultuous time that the great Zulu tribe, which still exists today, was born. King Shaka will always be remembered as the founder of the great Zulu nation, celebrated for his bravery and strategic brilliance. He died in 1828, and the Nguni tribes in southern Africa missed the opportunity to become a single nation. This pattern of tribes separating and reuniting has been a recurring theme in African history, even under the great Egyptian empire. This is not surprising because the Nguni tribes were also part of the tribes that were in Egypt, the Abokolonga tribes. Let us explore and celebrate the life of Shaka Zulu, ensuring his story is preserved and honored for generations to come. True men will die, but their praises will remain.
Wena wendlovu